Guys, white bird lay the first egg on Christmas Day. So I wait and see if she gonna lay the next one today. And then we get about 4 or 5 days. I cangle them. One down here laid for her first egg too on Christmas Day. So we're gonna wait and see if she gonna lay next one today or tomorrow. And then we'll just cangle the egg then. Guys, see the baby here? Baby grew up to look nice. On the wing, it look like it's gonna be the baby here look like it's gonna be either black and white or brown and white. We're gonna wait and see. This egg now I'm gonna dash it where this egg didn't made it. So I'm have to dash it. The pair no lay yet. I think them would have lay before the white one them. But them no lay yet. So